Good morning, guys! So, today, samahan niyo ako sa first flight ko after ng maternity leave. This vlog is super raw, so I'm so sorry kung very haggard or oily or kung ano man yung itsura ko today. So, I had 9 hours and 30 minutes of sleep, which is so good. Ang una kong ginagawa is, I will take a shower para magising yung diwa ko kasi antok na antok pa yung utak ko at the moment. Buti na lang talaga, hapon yung flight ko. So this is the reality of being a flight attendant. Yes, it's glamorous, pero part talaga nun is yung super nakakapagod. So, sobrang pagod ko last night kasi sunod-sunod yung training. And yung flight ko today is SNY or yung parang internship muna ako para ma-refresh yung memory ko since 11 months, almost 1 year actually yung huli ko pang flight. So, parang driving lang yan. Parang magpa-practice ka ulit, di ba? So, kaya nakakulot pa yung hair ko. So, sobrang pagod ko yesterday kasi 1 day akong walang tulog. Dun sa 1 day na yun, siguro 1 hour lang yung sleep ko. Naitulog ko na yung hair ko. Hindi na ako nakapag-shower. Hindi na, wala na talaga. As in, dire-diretsong tulog. After ng shower and basa pa yung hair ko, nagsuot na ako ng compression top yung sa loob kaso bawal siya pakita. So, kailangan natin siyang i-cover. And then, I'm going to blow dry my hair. So, after blower, of course, eto, everyday ko na to halos ginagawa. Even when I was pregnant, I always curl my hair. This is my natural hair after ma-curl. Wala siyang any products. Yan, ganyan siya. And sa mga nagtatanong, di rin ako nagkaroon ng hair fall ba yun? Pero sabi nila, after 6 months of giving birth, dun daw ako magkakaroon ng hair fall. But so far, it's been almost 4 months. Wala naman. I'm done with my hair. And since I still have a lot of time, I'm gonna clean my apartment. Cook pala muna ako. So, dito na ako nagbo-boil ng egg. Kahit na frying pan siya. I do it 20 to 25 minutes since malamig pa nga yung egg. First thing I drink is collagen. This is best with empty stomach. Guys, hindi yan sponsored. My mom bought this for me. So, iniinom ko talaga to. Since libre siya. Charot. Ayan o, paubos na. So, 1, 2. And then this, from Herbalife din to. And then ice. Napadami ko yung ice. So, minsan pag nagmamadali ako, ito na lang yung breakfast ko. While waiting for the egg to be cooked, I'm just gonna clean my apartment. So, this is the before. And this is the after. For my breakfast, this is what I'm going to eat. It's actually lunch na pala. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but this is egg with mayonnaise and bread. So, ito na palagi yung kinakain ko almost every day since I moved back here in Malaysia. So, palaging that's it. Like, really egg sandwich, tinola, egg sandwich, tinola. Next time I'll show you how I cook tinola. Okay, so I'm done with my hair and makeup. This is our new uniform, by the way. So let me get my watch. I can't live without my watch, honestly. Okay. So, ayan. And right now, I'm just doing a little bit of studying kasi I'm SNY or intern today. So, I need to refresh ano yung mga kailangan gawin today. So, andito na yung sundo ko and let's go!